Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. We have a small Ally Fab tank here with a homogenizing mixer. We're pressure testing this unit today. It's rated for 15 psi and we have all the inlets closed. And as you see, our gauge is holding 15 psi right now. The first shaft here, which operates the sweep agitator, is a simple packing gland seal. As you can see, it's pretty compressed, but we're not getting any leakage through it. Just by turning it by hand, by turning the little coupling in here, which would normally be engaged by the motor. And just to check, we use a little of our soapy water spray, just to look to see. So that could probably use another piece of packing. But like I said, it's a simple packing gland seal. There's no leakage anywhere else. Been holding this pressure for about 3 hours now. So quite confident that the tank is good, and as are the mechanical seal on the homogenizer, as well as the seal that you see in here for the packing gland for the sweep agitator. Thanks for joining us for this video today. We hope to see you soon.